We all know the moment when you look in the mirror and notice the signs. Your skin looks different, your hair loses its luster, your confidence fades. Did you know looking older accelerates in your 40s? You don't have to wait to lose your glow. You can take control now. Introducing EverGlow, a first-of-its-kind beauty drink from Co.Lab. EverGlow strengthens the very foundation of beauty, called the extracellular matrix, providing the building blocks that support glowing skin, healthy-looking hair, and stronger nails. With regular use, your skin can look and feel soft, smooth, flawless, and young. One delicious white peach drink for multiple benefits and restored confidence. It's time to get your glow back with EverGlow.